Today on Designing Spaces, we're teaming up with Lifeway Mobility, an accessibility solutions company providing homeowners with fast and affordable modifications to improve the safety, independence, and quality of life of your loved ones. We'll visit a Florida family to see how an everydrop water filter makes a daily impact on their lives. Plus, improving the quality of your pool water and easy ways to clean up. Time to design. Meet Rich Gubatosi.
I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. I was a police officer for 20 years. My wife was a practicing dermatologist there. We wanted to change a life, a better quality of life. She got a great opportunity to come work in Pittsburgh. We thought it was going to be a one-year stint and we'd go back to New York, but we loved it so much, the kids loved it so much, we decided to stay. Well, my mother-in-law and father-in-law were in Queens, New York, and we realized at some point they were getting older and they needed help, they needed assistance. So we decided to have them move up with us. They built a house right next door to us, which was great to have your in-laws that close. Some people might not think so, but for us it was great. We have a great relationship. But sadly, after they had built the house, probably about a year after they built the house, my father-in-law had passed away. And shortly thereafter that, my mother-in-law started exhibiting signs of dementia and Alzheimer's, and she really missed my father-in-law. So we didn't want her to be alone. So we moved her into our house. Set up a nice apartment in the basement for her. She has her own private room, TV, everything's great down there. The only problem then became the stairs. And how does she get up and down the stairs? So my wife and I had started researching companies that could assist us in making her life easier. We found Lifeway Mobility.
After much thought, Rich has decided to set up a free consultation with one of Lifeway Mobility's local experts.
Rich, how you doing?
Jeff from Lifeway Mobility.
Nice to meet you. Come on in. It's going to be right this way.
As mom begins to age, we do all kinds of products. Ramping products, bathroom safety products, elevators, vertical platform lifts. I know right now our primary focus is on the basement stairs.
Yep.
And what I have done today is I have taken a bunch of pictures and a bunch of measurements of your stairs. And I have spec'd those out, and what we have come up with is the Bruno Alon stair lift. Okay. Everything is made in America, starting with the footrest. There is sensors all around this. If it touches anything, people, pets, laundry, this lift will automatically stop. It will not run over anything. Great. You'll notice the safety belt. It is retractable with one arm. She can pull that belt right across her lap, and that will keep her safe up and down the steps. There's also two ways of using the stair lift. At the end of the armrest, there is a toggle switch, and you simply move that to the left or to the right, and that's what takes you up and down the stairs. They're also going to come with two remotes as well. You simply push the button. If we left it at the top of the stairs and we need it at the bottom of the stairs or vice versa, we push a button and we can get you right up and down.
Okay, great. The product looks great, I love it. Just, for us, time is of the essence. My mother-in-law, she's already with us. I'm walking her up and down the stairs every day, 5-6 times a day. I'm getting older myself. So how quickly can you get this installed for us?
Excellent question. At Lifeway, we actually have these in stock. We can have you in within the week.
Within a week sounds awesome. So what are the next steps that I have to take?
We will take a small deposit from you.
Okay.
And then someone from our office will reach out within 24 hours and we will get you on the calendar. How does that sound to you?
Sounds great. Let's get this started. All right. Thank you, Jeff.
Installation day has arrived. Rich couldn't be more excited to have the stair lift put into place. And soon, his mother-in-law will be able to get up and down from the basement easily, and most importantly, safely.
So glad I called Lifeway Mobility. When Jeff came to the house, very nice to talk to, very easygoing process. The installation was very quick. They were in and out of the house, no intrusion. It was great, and they showed us exactly how to set the system up, how to use it. Yeah, having the stair lift is just taking so much pressure off my family, myself especially, because I'm home with my mother-in-law during the day. She has the freedom to go up and down the stairs, straps herself in, she could use it by herself. And I don't have to worry about her falling down a flight of stairs. That's my biggest fear, before we got this stair lift into the house. But it's been great. I mean, it's really been a lifesaver for her, and it's given her a lifeline from the apartment that she has up to us with ease and simplicity.
It's great.
Are you looking for the right accessibility solution to modify your home for your loved one? Visit lifewaymobility.com/designing spaces to browse a variety of products and sign up for your free consultation. Or check out our website, designingspaces.tv. It's one of our most precious resources, water. While it covers about 71% of our planet, only 1% of all the Earth's water is usable for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and other daily life activities. Today, we're quenching the thirst of the Jacobs family of West Palm Beach, Florida, who are hoping to find a solution that's best for their health, their wallet, and Mother Earth.
We are the Jacobs family, and we live in West Palm Beach, Florida. One of the big concerns for me as a parent, I don't want to put any unnecessary chemicals in my body, in my family body, and even in my pet's body.
It's really important that your family uses filtered water. Some of our everydrop water filters can reduce up to 99% of contaminants, including lead, which can come through your water pipes and plumbing. I'm Amanda Herman, and I work for Whirlpool Corporation, and I am also the brand manager for everydrop water filters. Some of our water filters filter out up to 73 different kinds of contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and some pesticides. Sometimes just because people think that their water's clear means that it's okay, but that's not always the case.
We use our everydrop water filter for everything, for drinking, for cooking, and for even giving it to our pets.
The way our everydrop water filters work, it's a three-step process. First, there's particle filtration, which gets out the larger contaminants. Next, there's microfiltration, which gets out the medium contaminants. And then there's finally absorption filtration, which gets out the microscopic contaminants. There's millions of leftover coconut shells in the world, so we use that material with the carbon to make the basis of what our water filters are. Contaminated water and pollution are a growing concern. Using filtered water can eliminate the need to purchase bottled water, which can end up in the landfill.
We do not contribute to the landfill with the plastic bottles that we purchase. So it's a win-win situation for us and the environment.
About 14 million tons of plastic ends up in our oceans every year. By adjusting routines to reduce single-use plastic, you can really make a positive impact.
I'm very conscious about the environment as well as our family budget. The savings that we get from not purchasing the plastic bottles, using the everydrop water filter instead, adds up a really big savings.
The average price of a 16.9-ounce plastic bottle of water is about $1.30. Using filtered water over bottled water can actually save you quite a bit of money. The Jacobs family, they can save up to almost $630 a year if they use filtered water over bottled water. One everydrop water filter replaces about 1,500 16.9-ounce plastic water bottles. A lot of people don't have their refrigerator model number just with them when they're shopping. You can go online to our filter finder and you can just enter your refrigerator model number and it will tell you right away what your filter number is. Once you really understand what your filter number is or color is, that also makes shopping a lot easier. I'm a green number 4.
To replace the everydrop water filter is really easy. You just open the door, pull it out, insert a new one, close the door, and you're good to go for the next 6 months.
This is actually a really big one. You have to be aware of counterfeit water filters. It's really important that you buy it from a genuine manufacturer like everydrop because we go through all the testing, the engineering, and everything. I signed up for a subscription, which is really easy. You can do it online, and then the filter just comes to you automatically every 6 months. So when that filter arrives, all you need to do is just take it out of the box and replace it.
Going to sleep knowing that my family is not getting pesticide or harsh chemicals in their body is a peace of mind.
You can save 20% on your first purchase and 20% on future purchases when you subscribe to have everydrop water and ice filters delivered to your door every 6 months. To learn more about everydrop water filtration and what they can do to transform and improve your home or business, visit everydropwater.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.
Hey, it's Jake, your HASA resident pool expert, and before you dive in, let's talk about how to keep your pool clean for the summer. Maintaining a balanced pool is the key to ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. But with so many factors to consider, it can be challenging to get it just right. There are several balance values that need to be taken into account, including calcium hardness, total alkalinity, pH, sanitizer, and cyanuric acid, or CYA. These values all work together to keep the water properly disinfected. If any of these values are out of balance, it can lead to a host of problems, such as cloudy water and damage to the pool surface and equipment.
To achieve proper water balance, you've got to feel comfortable testing your water so you know what all the different parameters are. Like, for example, if you want to keep your pool's chlorine between 2 and 4 parts per million, we would suggest that you have a tailored DPD test kit or simple test strips or something that you know how much chlorine you have. And also a pH. pH is very, very important for the comfort of the swimmer, but also the health of the pool and how efficient your chlorine actually does work. So those are the two things I get really comfortable with right there is pH and chlorine. But then you also want to make sure you're comfortable testing some of the other things that affect your water, alkalinity, calcium hardness, TDS, and such.
The best way to determine your pool's chemistry and balance it accordingly is to use a quality test kit, test strips, or a smart device such as the Sutro. The Sutro device is especially handy as it drops right into the pool and communicates to your smartphone to provide daily updates on water balance and chlorine levels. To achieve the ideal water balance, there are recommended targets for each of these values. For calcium hardness, the target should be 350 ppm in plaster pools or 250 ppm for vinyl or fiberglass pools. Total alkalinity should be around 90 ppm, while pH should be at 7.5. Sanitizer, free available chlorine, should be at 2 to 4 ppm. Finally, cyanuric acid should be 30 to 50 ppm. While it might not always be possible to hit these targets exactly, the goal is to get as close as possible, and remember, it is a long season, so develop routines that work for you to ensure that you're checking your levels regularly, or head on down to your local pool store, or have a pool pro test your water and advise you on what's best for your pool. To learn more about the water treatment solutions we've discussed today, visit HASA.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.
Spring is here, and so is spring cleaning. But in our new normal, with COVID still not in the rearview mirror, our approach to cleaning has definitely changed. I know mine has. For many of us, we've gone from simply just cleaning to disinfecting everything every chance we get. So we got tons of the disinfectants in every room. We got the cupboard full of paper towels. And every chance we get, we're taking one of these to pick up and wipe and try to sanitize everything. Sound familiar? Yep, I thought so. But joining us today is someone who knows the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. Bridget, come on in. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you.
Yes.
So you're an expert when it comes to teaching us how to clean our home properly.
I am an expert, yes.
Good, we need you.
Yes.
So why are we not needing to focus on this anymore?
There's a big difference between cleaning and disinfecting, and a lot of people don't realize that. Yep. So when you read the back of your disinfectant, it actually has very specific instructions on how to disinfect. And usually it says you need to leave it on the surface for anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes, but you need to leave it on the surface wet for that time. Most people take the disinfectant and then they just wipe.
That's me.
So what's the point? You're not disinfecting, right? Whereas when you clean a surface, you are removing germs from the surface. When you use a disinfectant, you're killing the germs from the surface.
Let me show you this
Yes.
because I'm sure that you've seen this a million times, and
Yeah.
usually we would take one of these
Right.
and wipe it, throw it away, and think it's clean.
With this, all you need to use is the e-cloth.
Oh, what's e-cloth?
E-cloth is all about cleaning with water.
Is it a microfiber?
It is microfiber, and I always say it's the king of microfiber. And basically, it's a very easy way to clean, a very effective, and it's literally for everyday cleaning in your home.
And
right?
you just said with water. That's all you need?
With water. And this is our kitchen cloth, and on the kitchen cloth, it removes 99% of bacteria from the surface. So basically, I wet the cloth under the faucet, right? Get that nice and warm, then I squeeze it out, and then as you see this spaghetti sauce splatter, I'm just gonna clean that up, and then once I rinse it, 99% of the bacteria goes down the drain.
Goes down the drain.
Yes. Whereas if you use those wipes, you're using a bunch of wipes, like you said, which means you're throwing them in the garbage. You said they're expensive, so think of the savings.
So where else can I use this?
E-cloth can be used all over your home, but one place that I love to use it is on my windows and glass.
Oh, my nemesis.
Let me show you.
Okay, Bridget, so here we have the glass table, and here we have my go-to, and we have also the tons of paper towels that I always use to clean it, and I mean, I think it's okay, but are you saying I don't need this?
You don't need it.
Really?
You do not need it.
What do I do?
Basically, you're gonna use the e-cloth window cleaning cloth and then the glass and polishing. It comes in a kit because when you use this forbidden formula as well as paper towels, they, first of all, cost you a lot of money.
True.
And there's a ton of waste. And does it work?
I mean, I think it does.
Okay,
I mean, you're
well,
telling
you try
me,
it.
All right, but you're telling me this and water is gonna work better than this.
Exactly. You clean your side and I'll clean mine.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Look at all the paper towels you used.
Yeah.
And now what are you gonna do with those?
Throw them away.
Right. And look at all the streaks.
And I do have the streaks.
And no streaks here.
Doesn't work as well as I thought it. Wow, look at that.
And look how quick it was.
So this did this without any product at all except for water.
Right. And our cloths.
Wow. How else can you save us some money?
Let me show you. So the cleaning pad works really, really well and basically replaces people having to use paper towels. So as you can see, I have this big spill on the counter.
You do.
Actually, if you want, why don't you just use paper towels on it?
No, thank you. Let me
You
just
sure?
grab this from you.
All right.
Absolutely sure. Let me just go right to
Okay.
it here. Wow, and this is dry and clean.
Yes.
Incredible.
Yes.
Where else can we use the e-cloth around the house?
You can use it in your kitchen, you can use it in the bathroom, you can use it in your shower, you can use, we have a mopping system, so you can use it for your floors, dusters, we have a dusting cloth, a dusting glove, and then we have scrubbers and sponges. So we pretty much have it all, and it all is the same type of focus. You're just using water to clean those surfaces.
So there's an e-cloth for everything that we can clean.
There is.
Okay, so where can we find out more about e-cloth?
Just go to ecloth.com.
Thank you so much, Bridget, for being here. Thank
My
you so
pleasure.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.